Hello my beautiful babies out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a kind of casual chatty get ready with me, trying some of the About-Face products. This is the new makeup brand from Halsey, so I'm so excited because the brand just seems so different and innovative. So I can't wait to play with this makeup and just have a little fun. So if you are interested in seeing all that, then keep on watching. Alright lovelies, welcome. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm just so excited to play with this stuff. If you haven't heard of the brand, it's from Halsey, the singer. I'm not too familiar with her music. I have heard some of her songs that were like kind of mainstream and on the radio, but I don't know a lot about her. So I actually watched the video she did with Manny MUA on his channel, and she just seems so fun and quirky and silly and artistic and just different. I just loved her vibe, and how she was talking about the brand was that it was just a very artistic, creative brand, and she wanted to come out with something different and just really promote being, you know, different and having fun with makeup, and that there are no rules, and no matter your age, background, who you are, makeup's supposed to be fun and you should be allowed to be different and creative, and that's the things that make you beautiful. So I'm very excited. So this is what the box looks like, nice and bright and fun and just all over the place. On her about section on the website, she was talking about like everyone is beautiful in their own different, weird and mad kind of way, and I love the message that she was promoting. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna just have fun with the makeup. But before I do all of that, if you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, please hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to click that notification bell. I do try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. So now let's get into putting on the makeup. Alright, I have you guys zoomed in so you can really see the makeup being put up on my face. But I'll put a little thing of like her website. It's so cool and different, and like pop up like the different shades and different stuff that she came out with. The brand is very new, so there's no complexion products. It's all like eye makeup, like liquid eyeshadows, shimmer sticks. It had highlighters, setting sprays, I think highlighter sticks and liquid highlighters. So it's a very like glowy brand that's just very different and pretty heavy on the liquid side. But they did have a powder highlighter that I picked up. So let's just start. I did do my base makeup because I wanted to make this video quick and get that out of the way, but I'll link all the makeup that I use in the description if I don't like mention what I'm using. So the first thing that I got was the Fluid Eye Paint. This is in the shade Smoke Signal. So it's just a very like kind of emerald smoky but on the muted side shade. I'll put a picture of the other shades that she had. There were like 6 of them. This goes for like 24 bucks, and she did mention that more shades were gonna come out, but this is a matte paint for the lids. But I really like this color, and I'm going to just dab some of that on my hand and work with a brush. So I'm gonna take this Beach Cosmetics flat brush that's slightly fluffy. I'm just gonna dab in there and see how this works. I'm gonna start small because she did say that these products were super pigmented, and I'm gonna use this like on the outer side and all in the crease. Wow. From what I can see, this is spreading really nicely, and this is a product you could probably also use with your finger if you wanted to just pat it out all over the lid and just do like a one and done look. Alright, so I just got like a more dense, fluffy, a more dense brush to work the edge out, just so we can have more of a blend. But this is really pretty. I just went in so little into the shade. It's already drying down. It looks like it dries down to a powder finish. Actually, let's read what the description is. I didn't even tell you anything about it. So it says it's a powerful one swipe punch of color that delivers bold and buildable pigment. It's a matte powder formula. Swipes on easy and smooth, no budge, no smudge finish, which is awesome. So I think I'm gonna get a little bit more so we can get it deeper and more intense and see if this can build on itself. So let me take the brush we were using and get a little bit more. Ooh, this is so pigmented. You barely have to go into the shadow. And this is definitely building really nicely on top of itself. Oh, this is so pretty. Alright, I really do like this product because you can build it up, you can make it more dark and dramatic, or you can sheer it out. It's really just how you want to do it. And I feel like this is something you could also use with your finger. You could probably use this as like a liquid liner and create a wing with it. Probably could use it in the waterline. So just very versatile what you can do with this product. So I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to take the pencil and run that on the lower part too. We are gonna get so dramatic today. Let's put it down here as well. And connect it up. So I think that's as far as I'm gonna take it on the bottom. And now we're gonna go into the next project that I picked up. I got one of these shadow sticks. So when I made my order, you got a free shadow stick, which I was so excited about because I wanted to get this one. This is the shade Pearly, and I think these ones go for 21 bucks. I'll pop up the picture of the other shades that they had in this range. This could be used as a liner for like your waterline or on the top, or like an all over shadow stick. Look how pretty that is. I'm just gonna go in and put that on the lid, like right there. I would probably use this a lot more for like my waterline. And it looks like you could easily use this to just carve out, like make a somewhat of a cut crease with this. Ooh, this is pretty. I really like this shade and this combination with the matte product. What do you guys think? That is fun. That is different. It's a little bit more sheer, but let me see if I can build it up. I really like how this looks. It is more on the sheer side. It's not super like shimmer, like metallic wise, but it's a nice little shimmer stick. But I did notice if I tap it with my finger, it kind of pulls the shadow up because it's a little tack to it. So I'm gonna wrap that around and pull it down here too. I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so the other eye is completed. Overall, I do like the look. I would just probably stick to using this as a liner more than anything, or a base to other shadows. All right, so I think I also want to use this in the waterline and see how that works. Let's see. Is that pink enough to work in the waterline? Yes, that works great in the waterline. Oh, that makes such a good liner for the waterline. I knew it was going to be good for that reason. But before I finish up the eyes with like liner and mascara and stuff, let's go into the next product, which is a highlighter. All right, so I picked up one of the powder highlighters. This is the Light Lock powder. And let's see what the cost of this is. So this one is a pressed high beam powder. It goes for 30 bucks. And the shade that I got was Shimmering Pale Peach, which is of course a shade that I would like. It says it's a crazy smooth highlighter powder that transforms to a glass-like finish. Oh, I love that. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I love this packaging, and it's slightly angled. That is so cute and different. And this is what it looks like inside. Show you guys up close. Ooh, that looks so pretty. And let me like put my finger in there. Ooh, it feels so smooth. That looks so pretty. Let's swatch it out really quick. That is really pretty, and it's super reflective, and I see the little peach goldy vibes. So let's put this highlighter on the cheeks and see how they look. I think I want to use a dense brush. This is from Kaleidos. And I'm gonna tap into that. It's picking up nice on the brush. And let's put that on the cheeks. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Ugh. I'll put the other shades that they had in this. They had 4 shades altogether. So it went from like really iridescent to a more like bronzy highlighter. So I like that they are accommodating all skin tones. This looks so pretty on the cheeks. Do you guys see that? Oh. And it's so smooth. That is so pretty. I also heard her saying like she would recommend putting it on with your finger. And yeah, if you want it to be more beaming, definitely you could use the finger to put this on. And I feel like it is not emphasizing any texture at all. And she was talking about she wanted to make this powder more smooth, so wouldn't emphasize texture, because she was talking about how textured her skin is. And I was like, oh girl, I can relate. But you know, honestly, I don't even care. If the texture is there, it's not going anywhere, I'm gonna embrace it. You know what I'm saying? Just embrace your flaws and all. That's what I'm all about. I mean, every now and then, you know, we have our days where we're not feeling it, but I just try to embrace what makes me me. And I'm gonna put some on my nose, because who does not love a little glowy nose? I love this highlighter. I could bathe in this. This is really pretty. It goes on so smooth. I love the peachy vibes. This is so pretty. So what I want to do, I'm going to take this pencil brush. I'm going to add a little of it in the inner corner just to get some more brightness on the look. Ooh, that works. This is such a soft powder. That definitely helped brighten up the inner corner. I like that a lot. This is a really pretty powder. It's so soft and just, oh, I could just fill on this all day long. I really like how smooth and creamy it feels. So that is it for the face. So I'm gonna go and finish my eyes, and then we'll complete the look with the lip products. All right guys, I am back. I did a little bit of a wing, and I put on some falsies, which I never do. This is my second attempt to put on falsies, and I think I did okay. You guys will have to let me know if it looks like shit on camera, but I tried all the methods that I saw on someone's YouTube video on how to put on lashes, and I still struggled. But I do have the Lashaholic lashes on from Luxury Lashes. I don't know, I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's been sitting there. I'm finally using it. But I just felt like I wanted to be fun and creative and try something different, and normally I don't put on lashes, so it was just the mood I was in. So let's now do the lips. So I picked up 2 of the matte liquid lipsticks in the shade. I have Slumber, and then I have the shade Nudist Judas. That's funny, but I love the packaging on this. Like, look how cute that is. I just love that the whole component just shows you what the color is. So I'm going to swatch both of them on my lips. Most likely I'm gonna go with this one because it has more of a like warm tone brown vibe, and this is a little bit more mauve, but I want you to see both of the shades. These go for $22 each, and it looks like they have 6 colors in total, which I'll show you that up in the corner. And there was also lip pencils and lip glosses, but I didn't pick those up. But we'll see how these work. Let's start with Slumber, just so you guys can see how the shade looks. It has an interesting scent to it, like kind of like a herbally scent. Different. Let me see what's in this. It says it's a flexible matte liquid formula infused with natural peppermint with a powerful pigment load. So that's what I smell. There's a peppermint scent to it. It smells just very natural. So let's try this on the lips and just see what the shade looks like and how it feels. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This is a really nice color. Alright, so I thought this shade would pull a little bit more mauve-y tone, but it doesn't, at least not on camera, and even when I look in the mirror, it's described as a matte rose beige, but I think it's a pretty color. I mean, sorry for the application. I didn't really try, I just wanted you guys to see the color. So I'm going to take this off and put on the other one, the one that I think I want to go with, and we'll see how that one looks. Okay, I took that off really quick. I'm going to line my lips for this one since this is the one I'm going to keep on. I forgot to mention the liquid lipstick feels very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel like one of those super drying formulas, but I'm going to use the Juvia's Place liner and a Sweet Nothing to line my lips really quickly, and so we can just get more of a defined line. Let's see. Alright, lips are lined. These lip pencils from Juvia's Place are so creamy, and this is like the perfect nude shade to go with every like lip product. But now I'm going to go in with Nudist Judas. What a name, that's so funny. But I think this color is going to work perfect with this look, and let me see what it's described as. Yeah, Nudist Judas is described as a matte burnt beige, so I'm feeling that. And here it is. I like the little applicator, and I'm gonna put this on really quickly. Yes, that's what I want it to go with. It has more of like a yellow tone to it. So here is the lippy. This is so nice. I like this shade. It's a warm toned beigey shade, and it goes really good with this eye look. I love a more yellow toned brown, and I'm just really feeling the whole vibe here. Now the lashes look a little funky. I tried, okay, I did my best to put on falsies, but I'm gonna zoom you guys out so I can give you my final thoughts and everything. Alright guys, so my final thoughts is I love these products. I think they're just very different and innovative, and it brings something new to my collection, and that's very hard to do when there's just so many makeup brands and they're all releasing similar things. I feel like the stuff she released is just very innovative, and I love a brand that can inspire you to try different things and take you a different direction. So for the shimmer stick, I will probably just use this for the waterline. It's not my favorite on the lid. It's just more sheer, and I like a more sparkly, more metallic lid shade. I prefer like a liquid metallic or one of my multi-chrome shadows or sparkly shadows for the lid, but it does go on the waterline. It's so nice, and it's very opaque and creamy, so I will definitely get use out of that. As for the matte eye paint, it's amazing. It's super pigmented, little goes a long way, and it's very blendable and easy to use. Sometimes products like this can be hard to use because they'll dry too quickly and just stick right where you put it, and you can't blend it out. But this one has a lot of time for you to blend out. It doesn't dry down too fast, and it does have more of a like powder finish. You can sheer it out, you can build it up, you could use this as a liner, you could use this as a shadow base. So I love the versatility of this product. As for the highlighter, it's so pretty, it's so creamy, it's so silky and smooth, and I just feel like this product will not really enhance texture as much as like other highlighters do, because it's just so smooth and it feels so nice. And I love this shade. It's just a nice little peachy highlight. For the lips, they're so comfortable. It's a very comfortable matte finish. It has a little bit of like a powder touch to it, but it is transfer proof, and it dries down very nicely, and not in a way where your lips feel like all the moisture is being sucked out. So I just really love a more comfort matte formula, and this is definitely it. And I love the shades that I picked up. I always am down for a nice warm tone beigey shade or a more rosy tone beige shade, and they did have a nice little color selection, and I definitely want to pick up some more because I do like the formula on this. But I think that was everything that I tried out here today, and I just had a really fun time. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful in case you were checking out About-Face and wondering about the products. But please let me know in the comments below if you picked up any products, or you planning to, or just how you're doing. I love hearing from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And also, if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the description below. I have all the products linked and information and other videos that you might be interested in, as well as my contact information. I do have 2 Instagram pages. I'm at Breezy Lifestyle, which is more personal stuff, more day-to-day photos, and then I made a new Instagram called Breezy_Beauty, which will be all beauty related, makeup looks, makeup products, just all that beauty stuff. So I hope you will check out my Instagram pages and consider joining my Instagram fam as well. But anyways guys, that was everything. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and to hang out with me, and for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. But I hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you love and light. But until next time, bye guys.